Starting off with some crush. Wait, there's slime inside this ball that we're crushing. What the? Okay, I didn't expect. What? How do you even? I'm so confused. We're crushing a ball that has slime, which is also like diamonds. I sort of really want to buy one of these crushers because that's pretty freaking cool. And also really disgusting. How do you clean? No, that's a glass cup. We're gonna crush. What the? Bro, what is going? Oh my God, bro, that is. Now we're crushing little. Oh, I like that. I like that. Ooh. What? It's like a balloon with. What is that? Like, just is this all slime? We're crushing slime. We're melting slime. This is gonna be a crazy video.